There's your break and hold a SPY to the downside. See if it's going to pop real quick to see if it's going to respect. Now, here's what's really nice with that. Look at where the 9's at. Oh, my gosh. 565.50. Now the major level of resistance. And you got your 9 sitting right here. Wow. To me, as a scalper, that's the perfect downside trade. Am I right? Because your stop is so close to where it broke through. You know what I mean? That's glorious. Who's got support on SPY? What's the next support level?
605, 660, 565, sorry.
What's below that? Because we're at it.
And after that is 664, 66 previous pass.
What the?
564, 66.
Got it. So 564.
Oh my gosh. Ah!
So like I said, isn't that the perfect trade to the downside on 565.50? You had the 9 sitting right there. Who got in that perfect trade right when I said, there's your break and hold? Did anybody get it?
I've been sitting in it.
6 contracts.
Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Do you see how it was better to wait on them little A+ setups than everything else, right?